morning everyone. As we are on module 9 of chapter 2, acids, bases and salt. Today we are going to discuss about formation of sodium carbonate. As you all know, the common name of sodium carbonate is washing soda, and this is the another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride. The chemical formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3.10H2O. The 10H2O here implies that one molecule of sodium carbonate contains 10 molecules of water. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. So you can see in the slide the reaction is written there. 2NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. When we heat sodium hydrogen carbonate, then it decomposes it into sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. This sodium carbonate contains 10 molecules of water. Next, principal application of sodium carbonate. First one, sodium carbonate is used in glass, soap and paper industries. Second one, it is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Third one, sodium carbonate can be used as a cleansing agent for domestic purpose. And the fourth one, it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Next, it can help remove alcohol and grease stains from clothing, as well as calcification in everything from coffee pots and espresso makers to boilers and hot water heaters. Soda ash can also be used to increase the alkalinity in swimming pools, helping to ensure the proper pH balance of the water. It can be used in dyeing to help the dye bond to the fabric effectively. Photographers also use a sodium carbonate solution as part of the photo development process. Thank you.